Hi dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to cut out hair in Adobe Photoshop CC. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe my channel and give this tutorial a big thumbs up. Let's open Adobe Photoshop CC. Double click and select the image and open. First you have to unlock the layer. Double click on the layer, press OK. Now I need a background layer, so I press Ctrl Shift N and select color whichever. Drag it to bottom for background layer. Now press W for quick selection and select this image like this. Now the time to cut the hair from this image. Here click the refine edge feature. Select on black option in view mode. Enable smart radius and increase the radius value to 9 and change the brush size to 135, then brush around the hair like this. Now go to output option and enable decontaminate colors and increase the value to 50 and press OK. Hide the background layer and see the final output. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.